Hello everyone, this is episode number 8 in my Getting Paid Apps for Free on Android series. Today I'll be showing you how to get Need for Speed Most Wanted free on your Android device. Need for Speed Most Wanted is an epic game, racing game, very fun, great graphics, and as of today it's the #1 game on the Google Play Store, so it's pretty good, and I will be showing you how to get it for free. So first, as always, let's go into our address bar. By the way, what everything I'm showing you in all my videos is 100% working. It's not fake or anything. It's real and it works for me. And yeah. So in the address bar, you type in as.baidu.com. I wasn't able to find the latest version of Need for Speed Most Wanted on Mumai.com, but I found it. Fortunately, I found it on Baidu. So I'm going to be showing you how to download it from Baidu. So in the address bar, let's type in Need for Speed Most Wanted. Here we go. Need for Speed Most Wanted. It's in Chinese, but if when you translate it into English, it means Need for Speed Most Wanted. So yeah, this is Need for Speed Most Wanted. This check means there's no viruses or anything, so it's virus free. It says it's virus free. You would click on this orange rectangle to download it. And after you download it, you can play and enjoy. And I hope you enjoyed this video on how to get Need for Speed Most Wanted free on your Android device. And by the way, if you guys feel free to put a comment, ask a question. If you have any app requests, feel free to comment or personal message me to my YouTube account. I answer to all messages or comments. So yeah, if you guys have any app requests or anything, feel free to send them out. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.